Okay, we're going to end this year off with a bang, all right? On October 12th, I'll be hosting a Challenge for Change Motivational Workshop. This is a free workshop. In fact, I'll be hosting a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3 throughout the months of October, November, and December. This is a challenge for change where I'll be challenging you to challenge your own self to make the necessary changes that you would like to see in your own life. And let me let you in on a secret, okay? I can't do it for you. Only thing I can do is just guide you. I can point you in the right direction, but I cannot do it for you. You have to want it, and you have to be willing and able to do it for your own self. This workshop is for those who are sick and tired of being sick and tired of settling for less, tired of settling for the crumbs, who want better, who seek better, who's always wishing, always saying, man, why not me? This is your time. It's 2019. We're coming up on the end of this year. It's time for you to make the necessary changes that you want. I keep telling you to figure out what it is that you want. I keep telling you that you are worthy. I keep telling you that you are gifted. I keep telling you that you are great beyond measure. But you have to believe this for yourself. You have to know this for yourself. How long are you going to put up with the things that you're putting up with? How long are you going to keep going around in the same circle over and over and over again? When is enough enough? When do you decide to say, man, forget about this. I'm about to do something different. If it hasn't been working for you all this time, then that means that you need to do something different. But it takes you to wake up one day, not wake up from when you're resting, but wake up from the life that you're currently in and say, it's time for me to make some changes. In fact, I'll give you a good example. You ever see somebody out there constantly doing the same thing over and over, making all these mistakes, getting in and out of trouble, and then one day, poof, they just change their life around? I know brothers who done went to prison and spent a great deal of their youth and their adult life in prison. Then one day, poof, come home, go back to school, get their education, get a degree, and work a great job, living a good life. That's a person who woke up one day and said, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm tired of going around in this same old circle. A person who decided, I'm not going to work for this company no more. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to do what it is that I'm passionate about. I got my own dreams, my own gifts. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to start my own business. And then they end up living a successful life. They end up living their dreams. They end up doing things that they've always wanted to do. And then all it took was one day for them to wake up and say, enough is enough. I'm tired of going around in this same cycle. I'm tired of my life being controlled by other things, other people, other places. I'm going to do something about it. This is the challenge for change, where I am going to challenge you to challenge your own self to make the necessary change in order to get the different things that you want out of your life into the forefront. October 12th, 2019, at the Steele Memorial Library in Elmira, New York. It's a free workshop. I'm not charging you anything. There's going to be a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3. You'll be going home with a workbook with steps guiding you on how to go about manifesting the changes that you want to make in your life. Let's make this happen. 2020 is right before us. 2020 is right before us. You've been going through the same thing from 2000 all the way up to 2019. Don't you think it's time to make a change? Don't you think it's time to do something different? When is enough enough? Let's get it. Peace. It's your boy Herb Smith saying it's time to get your mind right and get focused.